They stood in the cold. Flashing lights, crowds watching, and then gunfire. Tonight, we uncover how a routine dispute with federal agents turned into a shooting, and why two men now claim they never attacked anyone. I'm Masood. Welcome to Real America Files. It happened outside a Minnesota apartment complex. Late in the evening, holiday lights still glowing in the background. Federal immigration officers approached two men. Witnesses say voices rose. Commands were shouted. And minutes later, both men were shot. And the official story was already written. According to ICE statements, the men attacked an officer, tried to grab a weapon, and refused commands. Records say the officer fired in self-defense. But the men tell a very different story. Court filings show their lawyers deny any attack. They say the shooting came without warning. Two versions. One truth. So investigators went to the timeline. Documents placed the stop just after nightfall. Agents arrived looking for immigration suspects. Neighbors gathered as the argument grew louder. Body cameras turned on. Phones came out. And less than 60 seconds passed between first contact and the first shot. That single minute now decides everything. Investigators focused on one question. Did anyone touch the officer's weapon? Forensic teams examined hand positions, gun residue, and officer injuries. Witness statements conflicted. Some said they saw a struggle. Others said the men were backing away. And the pattern didn't match every report.
Then came the medical evidence. Both men survived, but only barely. Hospitalized, under guard, charged anyway. Assault on a federal officer, violent resistance. But internal documents show the case immediately triggered a federal use of force review. Video was sealed. Statements were re-interviewed. Pressure built fast.
Because one wrong detail here changes everything. Experts say these cases live in legal gray zones. Former DOJ investigators explain, if there's no clear threat, deadly force collapses legally. And immigration enforcement was already under national scrutiny. This case added fuel to the fire. Civil rights attorneys demanded answers. Why no public video? Why conflicting witness accounts? Why sealed evidence? The money trail followed next. Federal liability claims, possible settlements, millions of taxpayer dollars on the line. And still, no final conclusion. Tonight, the record shows only this. Two men shot. One officer claiming self-defense. An investigation still unfolding. The truth now lives inside sealed reports, locked video, and 60 seconds no one fully agrees on. And one question remains. When force comes first, who decides what really happened?
Because somewhere tonight, another stop is already beginning.